Hello, my name is Kieran and the business I'm starting is the Games Table. I'd like to have the most friendly and welcoming game store there is in the UK within the next 5 years. So I recently attended a startup bootcamp at UEA and I've also received £2,000 worth of funding through the Do It award. So to get that funding I had to submit up to 20-page business plan, which included, financial figures and all those sort of things, market research. The business plan went to a panel and they deliberated over it and came to a decision. The panel gave me feedback on my business plan. They looked at the highlights, which were the marketing and the market research, and then they also gave me a few areas that I needed to improve on, such as my risk assessments and getting my point across in certain areas. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it, and hopefully I can use that money effectively to create a sustainable business and create jobs for other people, and maybe in the future I'll be in a position where I can also help out.